Mackenzie. I'm new and I'm getting my niece. So I got this new app called Zedge. So first I'm gonna look up my sister's name, Miranda. Need a brush.
No.
One.
I'm trying to brush my hair, lady.
One.
Got you.
Okay, lady. So that's Miranda, and I am sorry we look horrible. Oh my God.
We just got done playing school, and our cousins just left. So that's
praise
a
the
relief.
Lord.
Because 2 boys and 1 girl.
Drive me crazy.
Yeah, the girl's annoying. So annoying. We're sorry about that.
You're gonna press play now. Miranda.
You said don't dance.
Don't sing. So that was Miranda, my sister. She'll get crazy. Miranda! Grab me a Pop-Tart, please. So now we're going to look at Jada. She's so cute. She has 28 ringtones. It looks like 82, but it's 28. Let's do the first one. Let's do the different one, because that was too simple. Did you grab me a Pop-Tart?
Hey, Jada is ringing. It's got me so excited I'm singing. Answer the phone and say, hey. Or ignore it. They can try back another day.
Is that coffee?
Your phone's still ringing. I'm still singing.
So guys, that was Jada. Are we supposed to eat in here? No, come on. Bring the thing. Okay, guys. I just grabbed a Pop-Tart and we're not allowed to eat in here, so
Yeah.
let's go to the kitchen. Grab the tablet. I'll grab my phone.
Just if you know, we're eating Pop-Tart, which is what is it called? What kind is it again? S'mores, and I'm drinking water, and I can't get in this chair, so I go on the other side, lady. So we have a fish tank and a bat.
It's a background.
Well, yeah, it's really our background.
Well, it's really the fish tank and the living and the
Kitchen.
Yeah, dining room.
And if y'all would like to, how do you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Jada. What's up, Mama?
Alright.
Okay. Here come the big guns. Which is the grumpy mama. She was trying to sleep. Sorry, but we're trying to eat. Now we're gonna look up Mila. Oh no, chicken nugget. And if you don't know how to spell it, Mila, it's M-I-L-A. M-I-L-A.
They're using tones.
Be sure to write that down on a piece of paper. It's still recording. I know.
If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. Chicken nugget, yeah, chicken
Oh, y'all, I need to tell you something. If you go on a chicken nugget song, hold on, Mama, hold on. Hold on. Huh? Why? Okay. Mama, that was Mackenzie's phone. What? You took my phone? No, I didn't. I did not take your phone. Okay, well, whatever. Oh, if you go on the chicken nugget song, don't press. Whenever you press the song, don't press the down button or anything else on it. So, or it will play on your phone every time you get on. And it'll ruin your phone, like mine. Yeah, her phone. Every time, like earlier, while she was on something else. Sorry about the baby. She was playing a different song on her phone, and the chicken nuggets thing came on. It sounded so crazy, like a remix. Yeah. So,
I'm gonna go use the restroom.
wait, we have to do bye-bye. Oh my God. I must just put this on my phone. Okay. So, that's all for today. So, we will be doing some more. Yep. So,
Bye. Toodles.